up, guys? So here's an update for y'all, because I know people have sent me messages like, hey, when are you gonna upload, what's going on? So the last truck that you guys saw, if I'm not mistaken, it was a white Chevy, the 3500 with the flatbed in the back. I ended up selling that one because what I really wanted to do to that one was to do a Duramax swap on it and put the regular dually bed on it. But since it was a cabin chassis truck, it wasn't gonna work. The frame in the back, it's narrow and it's a little bit longer. So if I was to put a dually bed on the back of it, it wasn't going to sit right. There was going to be like a 4-inch gap in between the cab and the bed. So I decided to just sell it, and I ended up finding this Dodge. It's a 96. It's a 12-valve Cummins. Now, the guy that I bought it from, he had it sitting on 22-inch Alcoas. But I didn't really want to. I did want to buy them, but I'm like, man, I have some 24s off my other dually that I'm thinking of putting on this one. So I'm like, nah, you know what, I'll just take it without the wheels. And now I kind of regret it because he was selling them to me at a good price, but then again, he was saying that he did need them for another truck. So I mean, it is what it is. I do need to change out the suspension on this one, because if you can see, it has a little bit of camber. It looks like they just did a ghetto drop on it. They cut the springs on it, and in the back, I think they removed the leaf spring. This is the Laramie, so it did have like leather seats and all that, but it is all torn up. Está todo comido aquí. So I want to redo the seats. I like this color. I think I would want to redo them the same color. The carpet is pretty bad, pretty stained. Maybe with a good deep cleaning, it'll probably look nice. But for the moment, I don't know. I think I might want to replace it. Probably paint these brackets. This is a power seat truck. I guess back then the Laramie was like the top of the line. Now the dash on these, they were very brittle, so it's common on these second gen Dodges to be all broken like that. I do have a new one. I do have the dash. Everything works on it. The AC works. I just don't really like. I like the paint. The paint scheme is nice, but whoever redid the painting on it, they kind of did it like I don't know, kind of like if they traced something. You could feel the lines. Usually on like some nice paint jobs, everything is kind of smooth, but here you could feel like the little ridges and all that. And oh, let me turn it on for you guys. It sounds good. It does have an exhaust coming from the turbo. Let's see. Right there. Sounds good, but it's kind of smoky though. And then something's squeaking here, but you can hear me. trucks are pretty loud. But I like how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. I like that. You can hear the little the spooling of the turbo. Oh, and then one other thing I want to do. Let me turn it up. Another thing I want to do to this truck is paint this roof. Cause look, where I painted it. Damn, this thing looks like it's already. Hopefully it's just like surface rust. It's not too bad. But I need to get this painted. I told my boy Isaac to paint this truck for me, but he's been playing around. Nah, he's been pretty busy. But enough of this project. Let me tell you guys about this one. This is not really a project. It has a little bit of stuff that I do need to do on it, but it's a 72 Cheyenne Super. Originally it had a 350 V8, but now it has a 454 with a 400 transmission, sitting on some Boyd Coddington wheels. There's the original colors of the truck. This is not the original paint. It did have a repaint back in like 97, I think. Medium olive and dark olive. Has the wood floor in the back. The gas tank has been relocated back here. Now it's dusty. I gave it like a little rinse because it was really dusty. And I do keep this on garage, but I'm gonna take it to the shop in a little while and I'm gonna try to wash it over there, and I'll show you guys the engine bay. But on this one here, everything works down to all the lights, the windshield washer, the wipers, the windshield washers, the wipers, they work, AC works, the stereo works. Now the original interior color was the dark olive and had the houndstooth seats, and I don't know why the previous owner he went with this, but I don't like this color. I already bought the carpet for it. I'm probably gonna remove this. I think it's just like glued on the door panel. So if it is, cross my fingers that it's not too attached, then maybe I can peel it off and it won't look too bad. If not, I'm gonna have to replace the door panels, buy a new seat cover and new foam, because it's kind of worn already. The headliner, change it to the original color, and it is missing a little chrome trim around here. I need to change out the visors back to the original color. These I might have to just buy because it looks like they just recovered all of them. I'm not sure, but yeah, this one has all the wood grain stuff. They changed the gauges to auto meters, and I want to do some Dakota digital ones. I want to change out the steering wheel. I don't like this one. This truck originally came with the 4-piece back window. The guy said he changed it because he wanted glass that was tinted. That actual glass is tinted. It doesn't have like a film. And he gave me the original chrome piece that goes around here. But I do want to replace this and put the original 4-piece window. Bought this one last year. Can't remember if it was like May or April, somewhere around there, but it's been a while already. I haven't made no videos of it, but today I figured, hey, why not? Because I do plan on taking it to LST. If you guys are going to the show, it should be there. I did some LED tail lights. I bought a new band for it because this one's supposed to look like wood, but it's already kind of faded and it looks just like kind of black. So I want to replace that too. Oh, this thing closes like smooth. Look, some trucks you have to kind of like slam the door. I don't know, slam this one, but you see, this thing closes really good. It's original short bed, 115-inch wheelbase. This one I actually bought it, I think it was like a week exactly, or 2 weeks right after I bought the white and orange one in Dallas. This one came from that area, the area too. And I don't know, I like this truck a lot. It runs good. I think just the suspension is kind of worn in the front. I already changed out the shocks, but I think the bushings and stuff like that might be going out because it does feel kind of rough a little bit. And I need to get the brakes looked at, because when I hit the brakes, I feel like it doesn't stop like on a dime. You kind of has to keep going a little bit, then it'll come to a complete stop. But let me take it to the shop, and I'll wash it over there, and I'll do the carpet, change out the band, and we'll see how it goes.